The 2006 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the right, the Blue Angels 2006. One of the unique demands placed upon a naval aviator is that he be able to land his aircraft on a ship at sea. Whether it be a tactical jet, propeller-driven aircraft, or one of our helicopters, each requires skill the naval aviator must master. Affairs Representative El Jefe Pauget from South Bend, Indiana. Video technician David Meredith from Shoals, West Virginia. Logistics Support Representative Sam Kramer from Marietta, Georgia. Maintenance Control Representative Nathan Fowlin from St. Charles, Illinois. Our support crew up Dale Harry Facade from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Nicholas Clements from Cincinnati, Ohio. Adrian Lampkin from Pensacola, Florida. Jimmy Worley from Asheville, North Carolina. Demario Lequette from San Francisco, California. Dusty Curtis from Gallup, New Mexico. Roel Cassie from Milton, Florida. Thomas Griffith from Melbourne, Florida. Max Kreider from Flagstaff, Arizona. Samuel Rose from White House, Texas. Jeff Lang from Olympia, Washington. And Phil Weber from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angels Maintenance Crew 2006.